Corvette aficionados took to the streets of Bowling Green this past weekend to celebrate the annual NCM Bash. Over 1,000 guests made their way to the National Corvette Museum to witness the unveiling of the new lineup, which now includes the 2019 C7 Corvette ZR1. In addition to the unveiling, the Bash had many seminars and activities for the museum's 60th anniversary. Inside, guests are able to learn more about their cars with special hands-on classes that show how their cars are assembled. For Bowling Green native and lifetime Corvette member Teresa Lubach, meeting fellow Corvette lovers is worth it all.
What I think is the neatest thing is that we meet people every year that we've never met before, and we re-meet people that we met. I've met people here 10 years ago when I bought the car, 16 years ago, and they show up, and so you get to remake the connections even though they're in different parts of the country.
Many visitors who came in from out of state are able to kick back and talk all things Corvette for 3 days. Keith Lacey, who has been coming to the event for 8 straight years, always enjoys his stay in Bowling Green.
It's been a pleasure to come down here, and every time I come, I will always buy some kind of product or something. A couple times I came. Matter of fact, one time I came, I got the Zutz put on. Corson was here, and I got the Zutz put on site. And that time I came, the wheel guy came, I got the D wheel put on it, even before they start putting them on the new car.
Whether you are shopping, meeting new friends, learning, or simulating, you are in for a good time with America's sports car.
A Corvette's a Corvette. That's an American sports car. Like my tag say, the heartbeat of America, Corvette.